First, take a steaming plate and cut or slice some ginger, then place inside on the steaming plate so that it will not stick on the plate, the fish, and easy to take out from the plate. And the ginger will remove the fishy smell. Placing properly the fish set aside first. Next to do is the sauce for the fish. The sauce is take a bowl, put some rock sugar, don't make so much sweet. Then add 1 tablespoon light soy sauce plus 1 tablespoon fish sauce and add half cup of water. Mix together until the rock sugar will melted. Then do cooking the sauce. Pour some oil in the frying pan. Saute the minced garlic until the fragrance comes out. Then pour in the mixture sauce. Let it boil few minutes until the rock sugar melted and well combine everything sauce. Then it's time to steam the fish for about 10 minutes. After that, pour out or throw away the water. This is now the steamed fish looks. So we're gonna pour the sauce and put some garnish spring onions on top. Looks yummy. It's really good. And this is now our steamed fish. Please do write comment down below, like and subscribe. This is Angie. Always stay kind, guys.